comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling.
What's up, guys? It's Emerson the Man back once again, and today's Vlogmas Day 23. Yesterday was Vlogmas Day 22. I didn't really film. I had family Christmas yesterday because we're all busy, and yesterday was the only day we could get it done. I should have vlogged it. It was actually so much fun. Shout out my family. Today we got on the Santa hat because we're giving gifts. I wrapped a bunch yesterday and I took them to the store. Actually, there's only two. I got a gift for Eddie, gift for Mason, gift for young Connor. Just all the people I work with. Shout out you boys. Shout out anybody who watches these videos.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Lately, life's been kind of rough. We've been smiling through the pain. We've been getting through. We've been getting that bag. I haven't been drinking caffeine because I needed a break. Yesterday I had some and I definitely crashed in the middle of the day, but here we go. Let's get it.
Comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Holiday season has made me into the Grinch. Everybody just comes in and wants something to put under the tree. I'm gonna see him in 2 more days because they're gonna return it. And our manager only schedules us 2 people the Friday before Christmas. We got our presents though for Connor, for Mason, for Eddie. We're gonna have them open them one by one. Tell us why it was just us this morning, bro.
Because we don't have people that work Fridays. We need people to come in and help us work Fridays because our people don't work Fridays.
If you need a job, comment down below. We only pay 10 though, so sorry. I make 11.
And we got pizza today, but that has pepperoni and this has bacon.
And I'm Jewish. We're Jewish. We're just really beefing this town, partner.
When are you gonna open your present? Whenever I want.
It was just us this morning. So it's just us in the vlog. It's just us in the vlog.
Wait, but wasn't I in it earlier?
Nope. I don't know if you made the edit. Hey, stop moving. For Vlogmas Day 23. Here. This is for you. Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler.
Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Peter Pan merch.
And some tech, please.
Ooh.
Talk to your friend that gets you tech, please.
All your friends are broke. Bro. Don't get you tech, please. Bro! Equity and Peter Pit. Max on top, Max on top.
Alright, guys. It's time to give Mr. Eddie Rojo his Christmas present. Now I gotta get you something better. I'm gonna get you a Tesla. I'm gonna get him a Tesla. Next episode, watch. I always tell him I'm gonna buy him one. I finally did it. What do I always say I'm gonna get you? Right.
A new dad.
A new dad.
A new girlfriend.
I'm your new dad.
Oh my god.
That's for you.
Did you rap this?
I did.
He's a good rapper.
Bro, tear into it!
No, I gotta be nice with it, bro. You put your hard work into this.
Tear it!
Comes Santa Claus,
Is it
here
a?
comes Santa
Is
Claus,
it a?
right down
Is
Santa
it a?
Claus Lane.
Oh, it's a Tesla! It's a Tesla! Damn!
Thumbnail.
Are those butterflies or are those Beep beep bitch!
I love you, brother.
I love you too.
We're gonna get you a real one soon.
Like and subscribe.
Comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down.
Merry Christmas.
That's love, bro.
Merry Christmas.
Love, bro.
Happy
Happy holidays.
Don't get a haircut.
Hey guys, we're back. A day full of gifts. So, I got Mr. T-Burn here a gift. I got him Tinder Gold. How many matches you got? Huh?
That's 210 likes, bro.
Clean it up. Swipe, 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 swipe.
Rojo, Daddy Rojo.
Day 23.
Alright, guys. I'm actually supposed to be off right now. What's up, Eddie?
Hey, what's up? I'm going through Tyler's likes.
We gotta wait till Connor gets here to give him his gift.
We love Connor.
Love you, Max.
Connor! Vlogmas Day 23. We've been giving gifts all day. It's for you.
Got me a box of rocks.
You're a very good rapper. Guys, I'm a good rapper.
Tyler, you're ruining it.
Skechers?
No way.
The camera died.
Hi guys. Well, it looks like I just got this pack opening from Max. It's not a pack opening, but it's a large. It fits me and it's gonna be beautiful and I'm gonna wear it every day to school because I wear my other tech fleece and it's actually destroyed and it's actually ugly. It's actually gross. But now I get to wear this one every day. So thank you, Max. Your turn.
You're welcome. Oh, I got a gift too? From Pro Image.
It should say something else on the back, but they
Bro!
talking about it. It should say Drew Timmy, but
It's hard, bro. Brandon Clark? Nah, Brandon Clark's better than Drew Timmy.
I got it in spirit.
Thank you.
I got it in spirit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dude, you're in front
In
of the
the
camera.
way.
Why didn't you use it on this camera?
It died.
Dude, that's hard.
Yeah, I know, dude. This one's better because on mine it's got like little shag hairs on it. Not hair, but you know what I'm talking about.
Very Vlogmas. Sure. God damn, those bitches are barking.
Wrapping up the day. It's been a busy day. I've been here 12 hours, Tyler. What do you think about that?
You've been here for 12 hours?
I've been here since 10. What time is it?
Consecutively?
Yeah, bro. It's not like me and Eddie went on a mission. Nah.
It's just messed up.
If you go and look at shirts at any store and you don't like fold them and make them look nice, you're a shitty person. Yeah. Fit check. He got me this.
He got me this.
What?
Hey, what the fuck?
Oh my gosh, it's dark.
Hey, bro, good thing this shit has lights. Shit! Oh, you hit me with your balls.
Fit check. Fit check.
Got this
Big
last
B's
year.
on, baby.
CSG.
Nice.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes
If you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on social media platforms at Emerson the Man. Go stream my music, M$ M on all platforms. Melancholy, Sexy, Misogyny, my project. Check it out. See what you think. And
Merry Vlogmas, day 23. Oh. See you guys later. Peace. Beats. Best rapper in the fucking world.